Welcome to Open House NYC. Today we are starting things off in Bermuda, an island set apart by its location, mystique, beauty, and way of life. I recently visited Bermuda and I instantly fell in love with just about everything there. The pink sand and the turquoise waters are so alluring and the people were so welcoming. There is so much to do and explore, from water sports to sightseeing and the amazing arts and culture. You'll never run out of things to do there. It's also a place filled with rich history. We stopped by the charming historical town of St. George to visit the Bermuda Perfumery in Stewart Hall. Take a look.
Hi, my name is Isabelle Brackstone. Welcome to Stewart Hall. Stewart Hall is one of the oldest buildings in St. George, Bermuda. St. George is the eldest continuously inhabited English settlement in the Western Hemisphere. It is the former capital of Bermuda from 1612 to 1815. In fact, to my left is St. Peter's Church, which is the oldest Anglican church outside of England. It is believed Stewart Hall was the home to many historical figures. The house was built in different stages, starting with the oldest part in the back, and then the grand two-story house in the front. It is tradition in Bermuda to welcome our guests with open arms. There is so much I want to show you. Come and follow me. When you enter the hall, one can't help but feel a welcoming mystique. Spaces flow naturally from one room to the other, giving a light and airy atmosphere. To this day, Stewart Hall's structure is original to its form from 1707, including this Bermuda cedar staircase right here in the entryway, as well as the original exposed cedar beams found throughout the entire hall. They not only serve as support for the roof, they also give you a feeling of strength and security. So over the years, Stewart Hall has had many vocations. More recently, in the 1960s and 70s, it was the National Library of Bermuda for the part of St. George's. But today, in this parlor room, is where I display and sell my many perfumes. Here we are in what I call the history room. Not only is it the oldest space in Stewart Hall, but it was also the only space in its original form. One of the features of early Bermuda architecture is that the fireplace and the chimney were built detached from the house to prevent the roof from catching on fire. This is my favorite room of the house because this is where I welcome my guests. The perfumery has been around since 1928, so we have a lot of stories to tell as well, and that's what we exhibit in this room. We have a lot of memorabilia, fun facts about the sense of smell, and also showcase some of the raw materials we work with in perfumery. So when my guests are finished shopping and learning about the essence of perfumery, I take them to a very special place. Follow me this way. I love my garden. I know each flower by name and even have a dedicated section where I grow a guava tree, lemons, and even bananas. The white roof is genuine to Bermuda architecture. So for all Bermudians, water is a treasured commodity, and each house is responsible for catching its own water as well as storing it. So if you look at a Bermuda roof, you will see that there's a little ledge that is taller than the other one at the end of the roof, and that ledge catches the water and brings it to a water tank. So we don't have to purify water here because it's already pure. We've been in business since 1928. Which makes us one of the oldest perfumery in the world. But we never took very much of a commercial route like other perfumeries I've taken. So to this day, each perfume is handcrafted right here in my garden. Even if Stewart Hall is over 300 years old, I really feel that this home was built for us. Bermuda architecture cultivates with its beauty and surroundings. It is peaceful yet alluring, and it is the perfect setting to enjoy a cup of tea and to say goodbye. Thank you for joining me.